Right now I'm going to show you how to divide 96 divided by 4 using our area model and our place value discs. So when I look at my problem, 96 divided by 4, I see that my dividend is 2 digits. So when I make my area model, I'm going to make 2 spots for my tens and my ones. My tens and my ones, and I'm dividing it into equal groups of 4. I'm going to take my place value discs and I'm going to represent the number 96. So I have 9 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I have 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In my tens place, I'm going to take all of my tens, I'm going to put them into 4 equal groups. So I'm going to see how many tens I can put into 4 equal groups. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. Right now I have 10 in each of those groups. I'm going to drag another into each row to see if I can make another column of 10. So now I have 2 tens in each row of 4, and I'm noticing I have this 1 10 left. If I bring that here, I no longer have equal groups. So I'm going to have to regroup that 10 over to the ones place. So right now I'm going to count how many tens I could fit in each of my groups of 4. If I look inside each group, I had 2 tens, so my answer there is 20. Now with my other 10, I'm going to have to put it over with my ones to make my equal groups of 1. So I'm going to regroup that 10 for 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to bring my ones over to the ones place in my area model, and I'm again going to make 4 groups. I'm going to put as many ones as I can to make these groups equal. So right now I have 1 in each group. I'm going to drag another one. So now I have 2 ones in each of those groups. 2. Now I have 3 ones in each of my groups. So I was able to use all my ones to make equal groups. So I'm going to count each group of each row has 4 ones in it. So my answer there is 4. Up here, I'm going to put together how many tens were in each group and how many ones were in each group to find my total answer for 96 divided by 4. 20 plus 4 equals 24. So 96 divided by 4 is 24.